Hi everyone! In this video, I'll share with you a recipe for Doogh. This is a cool, refreshing drink, perfect for summer. All measurements are noted in the description. The ingredients you need are 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 cup water, 4 ice cubes, 1 tablespoon dry mint leaves, half a teaspoon salt, 1 mini cucumber, peeled and finely chopped, 1 fresh mint leaf, and half a lemon. Using a blender, blend the yogurt, water, ice cubes, dried mint leaves, salt, fresh mint leaf, and lemon. Blend for about 1 to 2 minutes. I usually use the ice crush, mix, and liquefy settings. Add in the finely chopped cucumber and stir in blender for about 20 seconds. I use the stir setting. This will allow for small cucumber bits in the drink. Pour in your favorite glass and enjoy! I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more.